Hey everyone, Dr. Nussi back again with another video, and in this one I want to talk about something new that we are just rolling out, and that is our product bundles. Now this is going to be mostly for our previous or our current weight loss clients, but it might be applicable to anyone that's either going through or has gone through a weight loss. So our clients should be well aware that we are big advocates of nutrition supplements when going through a weight loss journey, just to make the process a little bit easier. And these aren't magic pills, but they do help move the process along a little quicker and make it a little bit easier. So we have now come up with 4 bundle products that you can either use during your weight loss or during maintenance. And in my opinion, everybody that loses a substantial amount of weight should continue to take nutrition supplements for at least a minimum of 1 year. And the reason is that your body needs time to adjust to losing all of this weight. Your body still thinks it is so many pounds heavier. It takes a little bit of time for you to adjust. So it's going to be much easier for somebody that's lost, say, 30 pounds to put that weight back on, to gain 30 pounds, than it would be for somebody that has lost weight a long time ago or has never gone through a weight loss. So at least for 1 year, I think that's the minimum amount of time that people should stay on nutrition supplements after they have lost weight. All right, so does that mean that if you do not take nutrition supplements, you're guaranteed to put the weight back on that you've lost? No, of course it does not. But let's just look at this analogy. Let's say you have a table, and a table has 4 different legs, and let's say one leg represents how you are eating, one leg represents maybe an exercise routine that you're going through, one leg is the support and the accountability you get from either our staff or from your family and friends, and one leg is these nutrition supplements, things that are safe and effective to use forever. Now, would I just, for no reason, chop one of those legs out and make the table more wobbly? Why not keep that piece and every other piece in place for an extended period of time to make that process of maintaining your weight much easier? It's almost like if you buy a really expensive house, you spend all this money on a new home, it's a beautiful brand new home, you're going to put insurance on that home. Our clients spend a lot of time, a lot of effort learning our systems and learning how to cook and so on and so forth. You spend all of this time and energy losing weight. Put that little bit of insurance, give yourself that safety net, and that's one of the things that these nutrition supplements do. Okay, so because of all of this, we have come up with 4 bundles that we think our clients should be using one of these at least again for the first year after they have lost weight. So 4 different bundles, and I'm going to go over each one individually. So the first one is our basic bundle. So it's the one that's going to fit the most amount of people, the highest number of people. And basically it is our multivitamin here, and it is bundled with our green coffee bean extract. Now, I have done videos on green coffee bean extract and how much I love green coffee bean extract and how effective it is and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm not going to rehash all of that, but these 2 are going to be the kind of the basic 2 products. A good multivitamin that's highly absorbable, that's natural, that we know what goes in it because this is our product, along with green coffee bean extract, which the basics are, we've seen in our clinics, it makes it about 20% easier if you're following a diet to lose weight, and it makes it about 20% more difficult to regain weight in the maintenance phase. So I think this is a really solid starter bundle, this basic bundle. And bundle number 2 would be the same 2 products, but then we would add our stress support product as well. And the reason we would do this is if a client has a very stressful life or a stressful job, or they just feel like they're more susceptible to stress than somebody else, maybe something stresses them out that typically wouldn't stress somebody else out, then we would recommend this stress support as well. Now, stress can cause a number of different health problems: high blood pressure, anxiety, sleep difficulty, but one of the things that it can cause is a difficulty in losing, especially abdominal fat, belly fat. So this is a great product if you feel like you are susceptible to stress. So that would be the second bundle, all three of these products together. Now, that's going to cover about 95% of our clients and probably all people that have gone through a weight loss and are now trying to maintain their weight. And I'll leave a link to our shop in the description box below. The great thing about bundling these products is that we can offer discounts for bundling them, and also the shipping is much cheaper as well. Shipping has been a big issue with us because we have to, the way our system works, we have to charge for each item shipped, and if we can bundle the items together, we only have to charge for one item shipped. So there's a lot of savings with bundling these products as well. So we're trying to motivate people to use these products correctly, and we do that financially. Now, we do have two more to go through, but again, this is going to be a very small portion of the clients that we see. The next one is a bundle with the stress support and the green coffee bean extract. Now, this would be for somebody that, again, has a high level of stress or is very susceptible to stress, but for whatever reason, just does not want to take our multivitamins. And there are definitely clients like that. They're just married to the multivitamin that they have been using for years and years and years, and they don't want to switch to ours, and we don't want to penalize them for not. So we made a bundle for them as well. And the final bundle will be a bundle with the stress support and the multivitamin. Now, what we're leaving out of this bundle is the green coffee bean extract. We have heard in the past, again, from a very small number of clients, that they are highly, highly caffeine sensitive and they just cannot handle caffeine at all. Now, in the green coffee bean extract, there is in one capsule about the same amount of caffeine as about a half a cup of coffee. And we ask for you to take about 2 capsules per day, so about 1 cup of coffee caffeine worth. But if you can't even handle a cup of coffee as far as it making you jittery or keeping you up at night and things like that, then this might be the right bundle for you. All right, and that's it. Pretty simple and straightforward. Again, there will be a link directly to these products in the description box below. Until next time, everybody, stay happy and stay healthy, and I will catch everyone in the next video.